What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and I'm gonna give you an office tour. Alright guys, this is my new office, my new editing setup. I think the space turned out great. Let me show you a few things I really like about it. The space isn't 100% complete yet. I mean, it's pretty close, but still got some finishing touches. I really like that you can look outside and see the Jeeps, see the garage, so really cool. I could set up time lapses in this window. Got a few things hanging on the walls. This was made for me by one of my subscribers, Devin. He's awesome. He made this for me at school. He cut this out. Turned out really awesome. I love it. I gotta get some lights to go behind that, so really emphasizes it, especially when the lights are out in here. My parents made this for me. Giant logo, it's pretty cool. The duct that comes from my kitchen, it comes out here, the vent is out here, and then it goes outside. Still gotta finish up, put a finishing trim piece up here. That's the porch right out there. And this was kind of a side room off the porch used for like tool storage and stuff. And I thought it would be great for an office. Those lights really don't flicker that much, not on camera, they're LEDs, so. That looks really cool hanging up there. Got my Red Bull fridge. I got to try to get the light inside here to come on. I put a new bulb up in here, but it still doesn't want to come on. It's still nice and dark up there, but that's supposed to light up the fridge. Got her stocked with some Red Bull. But yeah, this is my new editing space. Got the computer here. This is my computer. It's a Dell XPS. Well, at least the body is, with a bunch of goodies thrown in. My buddy Jay, he made this for me when my computer died, or my wife's computer died. I had her Mac that I was editing on, and that died, and I needed something to edit on, so he was able to get this rigged up for me and saved the YouTube channel. He really saved the YouTube channel right there. Gotta get a lot of my other camera gear and stuff in here still. And it's kind of echoey because I need more stuff in here. This wall is a blank slate still. This is hopefully gonna have some shelves and some pictures and stuff hanging up. Some spots for camera gear. The floor is kind of unfinished. Kind of like the look of it. It's just not level at all, so have to figure out what we're gonna do with that. But yeah, this is the new editing studio. I wanted to show you guys quick, just a little. I've been working on this for a while. It's partially why I haven't been posting a lot of videos. A lot of my free time's come to painting this, and we ripped out all the old boards and stuff that were in here, restudded this, put all new insulation, put these lights in, these two LED lights. Got it all wired up, got heat down here, electric heat underneath the desk. So this is a fully functioning YouTuber studio. But I really can't thank my dad enough for helping me through this whole process. He's the one that's come over weekends on end, even if he had stuff to do, taking time out of his day to come and help me work on this studio, because I'm not a carpenter for sure. I've done some stuff, sheetrocking and stuff, but nowhere near the level he is. He helped me run all the electrical. There's plenty of electrical outlets throughout the whole space here, so I have plenty of room to charge and plug in everything I need. I think this space turned out really nice, and I'm gonna have a great space to edit now and do videos for you guys that may be other videos than just like in the garage. If I need to start a product review, I can do it in here where it's nice and warm, especially in the winter. Gives me my own space. I'd like to really put a whole lot more stuff in this space. Some more Jeep art. I've got a bunch of those old little Matchbox cars, a bunch of those little Jeep toys that I'm gonna put on shelves in here and decorate and design and really make this studio my own. If you guys want to send something for the office, you want to see it hanging up here like Devin did, then hit me up and I'll shoot you my address and you can send something my way if you want. I really love how this space turned out. It looks really awesome. But I need to get this edited and posted up so you guys can actually see this space and see what it is and see what I've been working on for months. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, click that subscribe button. I really appreciate all the support. As always guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.